Look at all these guns. Look at all this. These are shotguns. Wow.
We are not having to pull that thing out again. We doing like
These are the powerful stuff. Oh, look at this over here. Yeah, there's more pink guns. Yeah. Wow.
So, Alex, you want to take this one then, Dad? No, I'm just messing with you. Go ahead and take it.
Wow.
That's right.
You don't deserve them points.
No. Diet.
Wow, look at all this.
Not even an egg.
This is the range and a gun store. So you come in here and you look at what you like, and so forth. So this is some serious weapons. Serious. I officially am gonna become a gun collector. Like I'm doing gun collecting. It's really nice. I like it. For somebody like me with no social life, all I do is I work every day, all the time. This, like I like, just having something you can look at and enjoy and so forth. So
yeah, basic. What's up?
yeah, look at all these. Yeah. Oh, look at these. These actually look like mini machine guns. Like they're handguns, but they look like machine guns. Look how this looks. Wow. I have to ask questions about these. These look advanced, futuristic. Like they look like machine guns, like mini machine guns. Wow. It's amazing. I want one of those. I'm gonna buy one of those. What's the price? Yeah, of course the price is gonna be about $1,000. Yeah. I saw another one at the other store. I'm like, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna be officially a gun collector. Yeah. You see these? But I don't really like them when they look like this. They look plasticky.